Did you know you can build and host a fully functioning business website entirely inside Canva for free? Stop paying hundreds of dollars a month for complicated platforms like Squarespace or WordPress. Today, I'm showing you a completely hidden Canva feature that lets you publish beautiful websites in literally 10 minutes. And I'm going to show you how to leverage this to start a highly profitable freelance business from your bedroom. Here is the exact business model. Most local plumbers, landscapers, and roofers in your town either have no website at all or a completely broken one from 2005. They are losing thousands of dollars in potential client leads every single month. Your job is simple. Use Canva to build them a stunning new mobile-optimized website in 10 minutes and sell it to them for $500 flat. It is the easiest high-ticket service you can possibly start. Let's build a plumber's website right now to prove how easy this is. Open Canva and type plumbing landing page directly into the search bar. You'll instantly see hundreds of professionally designed website templates. These aren't just graphics, they are fully interactive web pages. Pick the cleanest design and click Customize this template. Now we have a stunning foundation and all we have to do is drop in the client's information. This is where the magic happens. Grab the text tool and easily swap out the placeholder headlines for your client's actual business name and phone number. Watch how simple it is. Just click and type. Next, go to your elements and search for high-quality photos of plumbing services or upload the photos your client gave you. Drag and drop them perfectly into the image frames. Because you're working inside Canva, you have access to their entire premium library of assets, icons, and fonts without leaving the page. Once the design looks perfect, look in the top right corner for the magic button, Publish Website. Click it, and Canva gives you the option to host the site completely for free on their domain, or you can instantly link a custom professional domain if your client has one. Hit Publish, and within 60 seconds, the website is live on the internet, secure, and fully mobile responsive. You just built a $500 asset in 10 minutes. This is hands down the easiest way to start a freelance service business with zero upfront cash and zero coding skills. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below right now and tell me which local business you're going to pitch this to first. A plumber, a landscaper, or maybe a roofing company. Don't overthink it. Just start building. And if you want to see exactly how I find these high-paying clients on Autopilot, hit that subscribe button on Genius Junkie for the best automated digital